Hello, in this video we are to learn how to condense this log expression. So now let's get started. First, what I'll do is to rewrite the expression as minus log 2 to the power x. This 3 comes up minus the same thing goes here, minus log base 2 to the power x plus 3. All this 4 comes to the top as to the power 4 plus minus log base 2 to the power y. So from here, what we will do is to rearrange the expression as minus log base 2 x to the power 3 plus, now this one moves here, so I'm just arranging it, log base 2 to the power y minus log base 2 x plus 3 all to the power 4. So from here, we know that we can apply the log rules. So since they are adding and having the same base, we can multiply. So I can rewrite this one as minus log base 2 all to the power x to the power 3 y. This one multiplies this minus log base 2 all to the power x plus 3 all to the power 4. So from here, the same base and there's a subtraction sign here, so we can rewrite it as minus log base 2 of x to the power 3y all divides my x plus 3 all to the power 4 bracket closing. So this is our condensed form of this log expression. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, press the notification bell for more videos.